Sometimes life is painful, and it can feel like you've run out of ways to deal with sadness or stress, but you are not alone. Suicidal thoughts and feelings can come on very quickly, like a sudden storm. A safety plan is a tool you can use to find cover and take care of yourself until it passes. Your plan will help you identify signs that you may be headed towards a crisis and find coping tools that work for you. You can also include people you trust on your plan. It's best to set up your safety plan in advance so it's there when you need it. Please take some time to develop your safety plan or suggest it to someone you care about. Download the Safety Plan app to create your safety plan today. If you need immediate support, call or text 988 now to talk to someone who can help.